Sanki leadership system. It is a flawless system consisting of 4 gears and 1 engine. This system relies on repetition and continual improvement to achieve optimal results. Gear 1 focuses on planning, execution, verification, and improvement. Gear 2 refers to the distributor's journey, which involves growth, retention, and personal and professional development. Gear 3 integrates the 8 steps of the system and the necessary tools. Finally, the engine is the Sanki educational system that drives the process. Collectively, this system enables the generation of abundance and the accumulation of residual income over time. The tools and events offered by Sanki contribute to fostering leadership and personal growth, guiding you towards fulfilling your purpose. The essence of the SLS 2x2 system lies in its continuous repetition, which is where its simplicity and effectiveness lie. By bringing in 2 customers and 2 distributors per week and replicating this process with your team, you will experience exponential growth and achieve remarkable results. Now is the time to take action, moving forward in the same direction.